This is the Razer Basilisk Essential, a budget gaming mouse that I actually got from Walmart for $14.84. If you're into gaming mouses, stay tuned for the video. You might actually like this one. Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Ray, helping you make better purchase decisions when it comes to tech. If that's something that you're into, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now, this will be a quick video about the Basilisk Essential. You can actually find it on Amazon, brand new for $38.52. At the time of recording this video, if you go to Walmart, Target, maybe Best Buy, you might be able to find it on clearance for $14.82, just like I did. Okay, let me take you guys through the unboxing experience. As you guys can see, the box is nothing crazy, but once you take it out of the box and you take that white wrap off, this is what you get. It comes in a matte black finish. It looks pretty cool. I love it. And one of the things that I also noticed is that it has a braided cable, really high quality, and it also brings this little protected cap to protect the USB, which is pretty cool. Then after that, you get that extra paddle, that extra button, which is really high quality too. Now let's go ahead and talk about the build quality. When it comes to the build quality, the mouse is premium, man. It feels pretty premium. There's some weight to it. The only thing that feels cheap about the mouse is the scroll wheel. I feel like Razer could have done a better job when it comes to the scroll wheel, but I mean, you cannot win at everything. When it comes to the design, it's a right-handed ergonomic design, so it is designed for you to use it with your right hand for extended comfort and support. That's why it has a thumb rest in the right side, which I really love. I like it a lot. And then other than that, it's a matte black finish. We love it. We love the color black. And it has the Razer RGB logo in the back. And let me tell you, when the RGB lights are on, the logo looks pretty sick. And I actually said the same thing on my Pulse Core mouse review by HyperX. So if you want to see that, I'm going to leave it in one of the corners. Okay, so let's drop some of the specs and some other things that I want to talk about. So I'm actually going to drop them in here. Starting with the DPI, it's a 6400 DPI optical sensor, up to 220 IPS, 7 buttons that you can go ahead and program to do whatever you want, with the DPI button being behind the scroll wheel. Is rated for up to 20 million clicks, so click away as much as you want. Then it has 16.8 million colors to choose from. Like, bro, what are we gonna do with so many colors? So if you're looking for versatility when it comes to colors, man, you got it. Now, something else I want to mention is the extra paddle that you get, which is your 7 button. The build quality on the paddle is super good, just like the mouse build quality. And Razer calls this a sniper button. So if you're playing shooters and you're aiming and you hold down the sniper button, which is on the right side of your mouse, it actually drops your DPI, making it easier for you to aim. I mean, personally, I don't want my DPI dropping when I'm aiming, but I'm pretty sure some people will find that cool. And this is something that you can definitely fix or take off in the software, which we're gonna talk about next. Now, the software. And when I was looking through the Amazon reviews about the mouse, one of the main complaints that I saw was the software. A lot of people complain about the software. It crashes a lot and it's super unreliable. Personally, for me, it only crashed once, but then since that, it hasn't crashed again. But if you want to fix your lighting, if you want to add your macros and just mix your RGB lighting, that's the only place that you can go to, is Synapse 3. Just keep in mind that it might crash, and I'm not gonna go into too much detail about it. If you have the software and you used it before, let me know that in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. Okay, final thoughts. If you're someone looking for a mouse that's really good on build quality, super comfortable, and that extra paddle for you to do whatever you want, and you don't mind the not so high quality scroll wheel and the crappy software, and if you have $38.52 to $45 to spend, then I would say go ahead and get it. It's a decent option, and I feel like I could have phrased that way better. Now, if you don't want to spend $38 to $45 and you're looking for something that's a lot cheaper, I actually have 3 options for you that you should definitely take a look at. So I'm gonna put them in the screen for you, and those will be the SteelSeries Rival 3, the Pulsefire Core by HyperX, and the Logitech G203. The build quality is not as good. You might not get that extra paddle, but there are decent options and you're gonna save some money. And this has been all for today. I hope you have a great rest of your day, afternoon, night, whatever it is that you got going on, and see you in the next video. Peace out.